Have you ever thought about the term legacy code? Legacy is good, right? You have the legacy of kings, the legacy of scientists. So how come legacy gets a bad rep? We know why. It's our legacy to the people who come after us, including to ourselves. But we're not proud of this. So how come our pride and joy becomes legacy in less than 3 days? Once we've written the code, we can't let go. It is our creation. We are proud of it. And we show it to others, and they copy it, and it becomes a template for writing good code. And more people write like that. But then, someone wants to code a bit differently. And we say, no, it's risky, it's too costly, and it's not how we would do it. After all, we've been writing like that for years. And it works, obviously, so why change? And that's exactly how legacy code becomes legacy. We won't or can't change it for all kinds of reasons. So it stays like that. Until the day comes that we have to change it. So we refactor it, make it more readable, maintainable, even testable. And it hurts. But after that, it's no longer legacy code. For about 3 days. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks for the support, and remember, live long and test.